Yeah, students, after learning the program designed for 2-byte addition, let us turn for the program designing for 4-byte addition. 4-byte addition means there is an integer in 4-byte, say A1, B1, C1 and D1. This is a 4-byte integer to be added with another 4-byte integer 01, 02, 03 and 04. To get the output D5, C4, B3, A2. Now these two different 4-byte integers are available on the location starting at 6050. It is up to 6053. Each byte needs one location with lower byte D1, then it is C1, B1, A1. So this is a 4-byte integer available on the locations, conjugate locations starting at 6050 in the data block section. To be added with data block section contains two columns. The first column is location column and second column name is data byte. This 4-byte integer available on the locations between 6050 and 6053 to be added with another 4-byte integer 01, 02, 03, 04 with lower byte 04, 03, 02 and upper byte is 01 available on the locations, conjugate locations starting at 6054. It is up to 6057. So this is nothing but data block section of this program 4-byte addition, and result is A2, B3, C4, D5 with lower byte answer D5, then C4, B3, A2 is to be stored on the next locations after this 6057 starting at 6058, 6059, after that 605A and 605B. So this is the result section. Expected result should be on these locations, and the result section having also two columns, that is location oblique register. Second column is output column. In the previous program designing 2-byte we used LHLD, XCHG, SHLD. The same thing we have to do here, double. First of all we have to go for this part C1 D1 plus 0304. So C1 D1 is to be taken in HL pair by using the instruction LHLD 6050, by which data from 6050 and 6051 should be taken in HL pair. This can be transferred for D pair by XCHG instruction. So this gets erased. Newly D can show us C1, E can show us D1. Now C1 D1 is to be added with 0304. 0304 available on here on these locations. So 6054 is the starting location with LHLD 6054. We can load this 04 in L and the 03 in H. After getting contents in HL and DE pair, these can be added with the instruction DADD, double addition of HL and DE pair, to get the output in HL pair, and that is nothing but C1 plus 03, that is C4, and this 04 plus D1 is nothing but D5. Now after getting this addition, immediately we have to store the result on these two locations. D5 should come here on 6058 and C4 should come here on 6059, and that is can be done by instruction SHLD 6058, starting location only is to be given. Now this is done. Now we return for A1 B1 plus 0102. Same process again. A1 B1 is available here, so B1 should be taken in L, A1 should be taken in H, and that can be done by using the instruction LHLD 6052. To getting in HL pair, this can be shifted for DE pair as it is, and here it is A1 can be shifted in D from H, and B1 can be shifted in E from L using the instruction XCHG. Now HL pair is vacant, or see, HL pair is an empty to take contain 0102 from these two locations 6056 and 6057, and that is by instruction LHLD 6056. So this content 6056 of this location comes in L02. The next location content 6057 ka 01 will come in H. After getting contents in HL and DE pair, which can be added using the instruction DADD, to get the output in HL pair, that is nothing but A1 plus 01, that is A2, and this 02 plus B1 is nothing but B3. After getting the result in HL pair, it can be stored over here. 605A पर आना चाहिए B3, 605B पर आना चाहिए A2, and that can be done using SHLD 605A location as an operand, and stop the programming RST1. So this is the expected output on these locations by processing these data bytes using this program steps. Now we have to write the contents in HL and DE pair as an output. Only these registers were used in this program designing. So H will show us finally A2, L will show us B3, D will show us A1, and E will show us here B1. So this is nothing but 4-byte addition program designing. You can draw on your own the program table which I shown last time, how to design program table for 2-byte addition. This one during the previous lecture, you can refer that lecture, and you have to draw on your own the program table for this program 4-byte addition. That's it. Thank you.